We're up here today. We're going to remove this honeycomb from this squared off wall section on this exterior wall. This house was getting remodeled, and the bees over the year that it was getting remodeled were able to make a honeycomb. We're about 4 stories up. So this is at the highest roof peak. We've already eliminated the bees. Now it's about getting this honeycomb out so they can finish getting the insulation installed and getting the siding put on today. Stucco work happens as soon as I'm done. All right, we've got the wood paneling off. Now it's just time to get this honeycomb out layer by layer. Key is to make sure it doesn't fall down the 4 stories to the bottom.